Friendship ring. Oh, thank you. I can take the ring, but I cannot take the friendship. I've got a lot of friends already. I don't plan to add anyone anymore. No. Why are you giving me a friendship ring? I'm not expecting this.
Because I'm really proud of you I saw you 10 years ago in London, and you've come a long way, and you're really smart, big-hearted.
Oh my God, thank you. That melts my heart. What?
I hope it fits you.
I hope it does too. Is it real or just... It's real? I will find a way to fit it. Oh my God, perfect. I want the necklace also. It's beautiful. Is it important to you? If it's not, it will give it to you. You have to help your poor fellow Filipinos. Yeah. Thank you. You're Filipino also, di ba? Saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Manila.
Manila, ay bahatin doon ngayon! Di ba? Kaya ang swerte-swerte natin, di ba? Dumating ako dito sa London, slight na loka din ako, kasi sabi ko, ay umuulan, ulan ng ulan. Pero sabi ko, okay lang, may flood control naman sila dito, for sure. Kaya okay lang mag-uulan, safe naman kayo, di ba? Sa Pilipinas kasi, umihi lang si Lord, bahang-baha na. Okay. I love it so much. Alam mo, ang kapal na mukha ko, tinanggap ko talaga yung sing-sing. Parang, bigla ko na pag-isip, am I supposed to accept it? Of course. Oh, bakla ka, oh. Sa dinabi-dami ng artistang nag-perform, ako lang nabigyan ng sing-sing. Pak. Yes. Magkano kaya sa lalim ko? Okay, thank you very much. Okay. I love you too very much. Kanina pa kayo nandito, ang aga-aga niyong tumating, tama? And we are very grateful dahil up until now, ang taas pa ng energy niyo as if we just started. Give yourselves a big hand. Damang-dama kong energy. Kasi tingnan nyo, kung saan tuturo itong kamay ko, tignan mo, magwawala yung tao dahil mataas ang energy nila. Wow! Iba! Party ang mga tao. Since party mode kayo, I would like to invite everyone to stand up. Let's stand up and dance. Do you guys want to dance? Why did you go to the disco? Why did you go here? Okay. So, kung saan ituturo ang kamay ko, gusto kong makita kung paano sumayaw ang mga kapamilya natin dito sa Ginza. I wanna see how you guys move. Paano ba mag-party ang mga Pilipino sa Birmingham? Kasi sa Pilipinas, sa mga tao doon, ganyan-ganyan na lang, hindi na masyadong sumasayaw kasi sila mahihahap ng cellphone. Diba? Pero dito, iba daw mag-party ang mga Pilipino eh. Okay? Tignan ko. So, patugtugin nga natin yung saliw ng kanilang pagsasayaw.